Yeah, go. You feel...
Your Salt Bay.
Hi, I'm Marie and I help develop recipes and contribute to Yummy.ph. And this is Cooking with Newbies. On this episode, I'll be helping our newbie cook, Karen, cook an easy breakfast recipe for us today.
That's me! Hi guys, I'm Karen and I'm a freelance writer and editor and I am a frustrated cook. Like I live vicariously through watching cooking shows and reading Yummy.ph because I have zero basic skills. So I'm very stoked for you, Marie, to help me today as an expert.
So today, what we're making is chorizo fried rice.
Ooh.
Have you ever made fried rice?
I've never made it but I've consumed it.
You can see the recipe here.
Okay.
It's online in the website. And for today, we have the ingredients. So this is the rice, the garlic, the chorizo. This is the sesame oil.
What's that?
The fish sauce with smell.
Patis.
Yeah. And then the veggies.
Yep, that's patis.
Yes. First, what we're gonna do is
Ano
prep
ba?
all the ingredients. What I want you to do is peel the garlic and chop it.
Now na?
Oo.
Now na.
So, sige. So you
And
can
then what
just
do I do?
peel and then you get one clove.
That's yung parang slice, di ba?
Yeah. Go for it. Just you feel
Ganon,
the, yeah,
ganito?
go. You feel there, and then you
And
get
then?
one clove of garlic. Just one. You can start from okay.
Part 1, done.
So what I usually do is I smash the garlic first. Go for it.
Kailan ba hawak ko
Yes.
to? Okay. Your...
Sige, go. Okay, that's
Promise?
done. Yeah, that's done. Do you have an idea how to chop?
Ganun.
For me, I get like a better grip when I touch it here.
So there's better control if I touch the blade?
Yeah, you should try. Go.
Sige. Tama ba ginagawa?
Oo, sige, go. You just chop it nice and slowly.
Best
can-
effort na lang. Sana I don't
sige.
cut myself.
So there, you're done. And then what we need is chorizo. So what I usually do with chorizo, I slice it thinly and diagonally.
Pa-side?
Yes.
Okay. Diagonal. How's the slicing motion? Is it paganon or is it paganon?
Like, do like that.
Paganon.
Paganon. You can do it. Yan! Ang
Sa
nice
mga
na
kamag-anak ko, look, I'm cooking.
Medyo faster ka
Uy!
na.
That is natural Reflex na lang ako.
Okay.
Today,
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready for the next step.
So first, we're gonna add the oil. Okay, what we
So-
need is 2 tablespoons. So here,
So,
I can help you with this.
teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Go ahead.
I have a childhood fear of mantika kasi
Kasi,
I was
what's
burned
your-
on the arm when I was at 6.
So we just wait for it to kind of heat.
Oh, okay. I got freaked out nung gumanan ka eh.
Ay, hindi, check ko lang.
Okay.
Because that's how we usually check if the pan is hot
talaga?
na. Yeah. What we're gonna do first is saute the garlic. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
I know, I'm not pressured. I'm very
Ayan.
confident.
You can just mix it a bit until it's fragrant. And then, after that, we can add our chorizo.
Lahat na?
Mm-mm. Don't be afraid.
Don't
You
wanna
put
stick
it a bit
sugar.
lower.
Okay.
And then you slide it. Para you... Yan. So there. We just wait for it to cook.
Hey, it's getting crispy.
Yes.
Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Oh.
So next, we're gonna add in the rice.
Lahat?
Yeah.
Okay. So you think the oil naman's enough to
Yeah.
coat everything?
Yes.
Kasi may oil rin yung chorizo, di ba?
Oo.
Wow,
So alam niya. So mag-release na niya ng
So
natural
efficient.
oil. You mix everything together from the bottom.
From the bottom?
Yeah.
I scrape it from the bottom.
Yes.
Kasi nandun
And you
yung
move it to the
chorizo.
top para talagang the oil gets well distributed. And the flavor too. So you can add the veggies.
The gulay?
Yes.
Dad, I'm eating gulay Lagi akong ginugulo na
Na hindi
eat
ka
healthy.
kumakain.
Yeah. You know what?
Even
Honestly,
here.
this is giving me an arm workout.
Yes.
So, pwede siyang pang-gym.
So next, what we're gonna do is add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
Okay.
So,
So-
this is the sesame oil.
This is the teaspoon.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Isa lang.
And then you drizzle it. Go. Yes.
Good.
And then also 1 tablespoon of fish sauce.
So, ito yung seasoning.
Yes.
Okay, I drizzled it.
So you just need to mix it and mix it until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so after that, we're gonna season it with a bit of salt and pepper.
Just put everything.
No. You're just gonna pinch a little and then sprinkle it. Go for it.
Is this
Yeah.
a pinch?
Yeah.
Is this a pinch? Salt bay.
Diba ganon?
Ganun ba?
Oo. And then a bit of pepper.
Is that a pinch?
Yes.
Is this a pinch?
Go.
Ito na? Okay.
You can do it!
Okay,
You're
kaya ko
doing a
to.
good job actually.
Thank you!
Oo naman. So let's taste it muna. Just to see if we need to adjust the seasoning.
Sige.
So let's try
Good
her
example.
chorizo fried rice. So we can
Cheers!
adjust- Ay, may cheers! Okay,
gotta
let's do
check.
cheers. Cheers!
Yay!
It's good. I like it. It's good. So now that we're done cooking, it's time to plate.
We're gonna do plating. Sana nakita lahat ng chorizo. Sayang na may effort ko.
Pwede natin
mag-design.
siya ilagay sa top.
So, pupunuin ko yung bowl.
Mm-mm.
We're gonna fill it up. Saan ko lalagay?
You can just distribute them.
Around?
Yes, around.
Okay.
Mm-mm. So next, what you can try adding naman are the veggies.
Yes, this one, the mixed
Mm-mm,
veggies.
You can just distribute them around.
Any other tips for the noobs like me? I mean, where do I go from here? How do
Just-
we move forward?
Just don't be afraid of the oil.
Sino mag-a-adjust? Ako yung mantika.
Kayong dalawa. Mag-meet kayo in the middle. Man, we're almost done. Yay! I think we're okay.
Okay,
So now we're gonna
okay.
take the final taste test.
Okay.
So time to try it now. Cheers, I guess.
Cheers!
What do you think?
You know what pops out for me? I think it's the sesame oil for me. I think that's what I like about it.
That's good. At least, diba? We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see and cook more easy recipes like this, visit Yummy.ph or hit the subscribe button on YouTube to find our best recipes online. See you next time!
Thank you and
Goodbye!